How to add noise in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Start by importing your image, then come down to Layers and click the padlock on your layer so that we can edit it. Next, right-click your layer and then choose Convert to Smart Object. This is going to allow us to work non-destructively and also allow you to edit the effect later if you choose to do so. Next, with this layer still selected, come up to Filter, come down to Noise and then choose Add Noise. This little box is going to pop up, and within here you can change the amount of noise your image has. So if we increase this, it gets more severe. If we decrease it, it gets less severe. You can also choose between two different distribution options. We have Uniform and we have Gaussian. You may want to zoom in on your image to see how these are impacting it. The one that you choose is completely up to you. Pick one that suits your image better. And then you can also choose between monochromatic or non-monochromatic. If I just increase this noise amount, we can see the difference. So non-monochromatic gives you RGB colors within your noise. And then if we check monochromatic, we just have black and white. I'm just going to bring my slider down ever so slightly, just so that I have enough to have a little gritty look to this image without taking away too much of the quality. Once you're happy with the setting, you can just click on OK. Now if I zoom out of my image here so we can see the full picture. Now the noise is added to the image, but let's say you want to come back into this later to edit it. You can come back into your layers panel, come into your smart filters, and you will see this add noise. If you just double click onto this, it's going to bring you back to this window where you can make those further changes if you need to and then choose OK. You can also use the eye tool here to toggle it off and on to see the difference that it's making to your image. And that's all there is to it.